Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kim with allthingsdrone.com, and here I am today meeting up with other people as a part of a drone meetup. Have you ever been to a drone meetup? If so, let me know what your experience has been like. I find that it's pretty helpful to meet up with other people, especially if you're nervous just starting out, or you just feel weird flying by yourself. Maybe you feel less safe when you're by yourself. So meeting up with other drone pilots or drone operators can help you build that confidence. You can share best practices. Done it before and had a good experience. The only thing is sometimes when you have a lot of drone operators in the same area, you can have interference and things like that, but it's still a good time, and I hope to have some good footage. I'm here today in Atlanta meeting up with the Georgia Drone Pilots group. So bright outside, I had to put on a ND filter. I'm using the ND16 to help with some of the exposure. It's basically like sunglasses for your drone. So I had to put that on. And basically, to take it off, I just tilt it this way. So the meetup was cool. Like I said, one thing you have to worry about is RC, remote control interference, and also worrying about aircraft, making sure like you don't fly into other people while you're flying your drone, and just being aware.